Hey friends, we are continuing our garage restoration project, building up hopefully our dream experience here in the new house. And one of the things I want to focus on today is some different styles of storage. So we're over here in this corner of the shop area now, and I want to get a little bit cleaner look over here with my storage and workbench area. Now in previous videos, I showed you some of this larger shelving that we put up. This is really handy, really great for a bunch of different stuff. But as you can see, it does leave everything kind of open and a little messy looking if you don't have good storage bins. These really tall, large storage cabinets are gonna be a great solution for this area. Now this particular storage cabinet is made by SISESOL. It's really tall, in fact it's 72 inches tall. It has 18 inches in depth, so it doesn't stick out too far, and then it's 36 inches wide. Now this cabinet does come in pieces in a large box. It's really heavy, you need 2 people. As you can see, a little assembly is required with hardware and some instructions right there. Now the installation process took about an hour to put together, pretty straightforward. Now one of the features I really like is this lock. You can see it has this little red mechanism here, or green, letting you know if it's locked or unlocked. We can then open it up and take a look inside. So as you can see, I have multiple shelf areas that are installed, and this is highly customizable. As you can see over here on the edge, we have a number of different slots. All the shelves are held in by these little brackets here. And again, you can really customize these to dial in exactly the height that you want the shelves to remain at. There's a couple other key features that I really like. Again, having this lock so I can put some of my more secure items. This isn't going to be highly secure, but it's definitely going to prevent kids and things like that from getting into areas that you don't want them. We also have some really great magnetic closers, and that way when you close the doors, they actually will stay shut as they latch onto the metal up top and on bottom. Now this does sit on some adjustable feet. You can barely see them underneath there. These feet again are highly adjustable in case your garage is a little off balance. And then if you need to adjust them further, you can actually get to them by pulling off these little tabs here, putting a screwdriver down in there, and you can actually screw the pegs and make them go up or down. Now, as far as the material goes, don't expect this to be super high durable, like heavy steel or anything like that. You can see that the material is pretty light, which makes the overall process of moving it when it's empty and assembling it a lot easier. But the durability, again, if you slam into this, if you scratch it, it's not gonna be the most durable material. So there you go, friends. That is the SISESOL 72-inch storage cabinet. Definitely a cool product. I think for most people, it's gonna be plenty durable enough and definitely suit the needs for your storage area. I think the best part about this is it looks really sleek. Again, it has a ton of depth, so you can put things in here, secure it fairly well with the lock, and then again, have everything in a specific area of your garage look a lot more organized. So thumbs up from us. If you'd like to grab it for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below. Stay tuned, we actually make a ton of these review videos for products you can find on Amazon to help your shopping experience. And then again, we're starting this whole build process with the garage to make it look really nice, really organized with some of these items on Amazon. More from that series will be coming up soon. Subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one.